Good evening, a very good evening to all of you. So, in this video series, we are going to discuss about a previous year question of 2026 3D geometry. In previous lecture, we have discussed about the definite integration. इस लेक्चर में हम लोग 3D ज्योमेट्री में जितने भी सवाल जेईई मेंस 2026 में पूछे गए हैं उन सबको हम लोग निपटाने वाले हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। अगर आप लोगों ने डेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन का पीवाईक्यू सेशन नहीं देखा है तो जाइए उसको कंप्लीट करिए, और अगर वो कर लिया है तो चलिए इसको शुरू करते हैं। इसके अंदर सबसे पहला सवाल, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज let alpha beta gamma be the coordinates of foot of perpendicular drawn from the point this on the line this. There is a line, so this line is in vector form. I want to write this line in Cartesian form because that is easy for me to work. Okay, so Cartesian form of line. So to write the equation we have to find point on the line and direction vector. Let's suppose this direction vector is d vector. D vector is 2i cap 3j cap minus k cap. This is the direction vector of line. So how to write the equation of line in Cartesian form? Equation of line. This equation of line can be written x minus x1 divided by a equal to y minus y1 divided by b equal to z minus z1, means point. Here we are writing point, in denominator we are writing that direction ratio, means direction vector from here. Okay, so this is the equation of line. Take this equal to lambda. How to take the general point on this line? So x equal to 2 lambda minus 1, y equal to 3 lambda plus 3, z equal to हमारे पास क्या आएगा, माइनस लेमडा प्लस 1 ये आ जाएगा हमारे पास, माइनस लेमडा प्लस 1। ठीक है, तो ये जो है ये जनरल पॉइंट है लाइन के ऊपर। ठीक है, अब बोल रहा है कि ये लाइन जो है उसके ऊपर हम लोग परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, और ये जो फुट ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर है ये अल्फा बीटा गामा है, तो मुझे पहले तो अल्फा बीटा गामा निकालना पड़ेगा। और पॉइंट जो है जहां से हम लोग परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं वो क्या है, 5 4 2, 5,4,2। ओके, सो इसके ऊपर लाइन के ऊपर जनरल पॉइंट हम लोग ले सकते हैं क्या, 2 लैम्डा माइनस 1 कोमा 3 लैम्डा प्लस 3 कोमा minus lambda plus 1. This is the general point on the line. Okay, so let's suppose this point is P, this point is M, so we can write PM vector ना। What is PM vector? भाई मेरा काम, मेरा मेन मोटो लैम्डा निकालना है। अगर लैम्डा आ गया तो ये फुट ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर आ जाएगा ना, अगर फुट ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर आ गया तो आगे का काम तो आसान हो जाएगा। तो सबसे पहले मैं क्या कॉन्सेप्ट यूज करूंगा कि ये जो PM वेक्टर है और ये जो डायरेक्शन वेक्टर D वेक्टर है, डायरेक्शन वेक्टर अलोंग लाइन दैट इज डी वेक्टर। डी वेक्टर जो है यहाँ पे दे रखा है, ये जो डी वेक्टर है ये दोनों परपेंडिकुलर होंगे, परपेंडिकुलर होंगे तो डॉट प्रोडक्ट जीरो कर देंगे। ठीक है, तो पीएम वेक्टर क्या आ जाएगा, 2 लैम्डा माइनस 1 माइनस 5 आई कैप प्लस 3 लैम्डा प्लस 3 माइनस 4 जी कैप प्लस माइनस लैम्डा प्लस 1 माइनस 2 के कैप, ये आ गया। तो यहाँ से पी एम वेक्टर जो है वो मेरे पास बनेगा 2 लैम्डा माइनस 6 आई कैप प्लस 3 लैम्डा माइनस 1 जे कैप प्लस माइनस लैम्डा माइनस 1 के कैप। अब पी एम वेक्टर का इस डी वेक्टर के साथ, इस डायरेक्शन वेक्टर के साथ डॉट प्रोडक्ट क्या कर देंगे, जीरो। सो वी कैन राइट here next slide pm vector dot d vector this equal to 0. So what is pm vector? Pm vector is 2 lambda minus 6, 2 lambda minus 6 into d vector. What about the d vector? D vector is 2 3 minus 1 na, 1 second, d vector I am writing here 2 3 and minus 1, so this into 2 plus, what about the coefficient of Jacob, 3 lambda minus 1, 3 lambda minus 1 into 2 plus what is coefficient of k cap, minus lambda minus 1, माइनस लैम्डा माइनस 1 इंटू माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 0। सो इसको जब सोल्व करेंगे तो यहाँ से लैम्डा हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा 1। अगर लैम्डा 1 आ गया तो मेरे पास फुट ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर आ जाएगा। फुट ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर क्या आ जाएगा, फुट ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर, फुट ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर जो है वो यही तो है, यही तो है 2 लैम्डा माइनस 1, 3 लैम्डा प्लस 3 माइनस लैम्डा प्लस 1। इसमें हम लोग लैम्डा की वैल्यू 1 पुट कर देंगे तो 2 माइनस 1 1, 1 कोमा 6 कोमा ये हो जाएगा मेरे पास 0, 1 कोमा 6 कोमा 0। सो फुट ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर आ गया मेरे पास 1 कोमा 6 कोमा 0। अगर फुट ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर आ गया तो मेरे पास अल्फा बीटा गामा आ गया, अल्फा 1, बीटा जो है वो 6 और गामा जो है वो मेरे पास कितना आ गया 0। तो मुझे क्या करना है कि ये जो वेक्टर बनेगा, लेट सपोज दिस इज ए वेक्टर आई कैप 6 जे कैप और 0 के कैप, इस वेक्टर का प्रोजेक्शन लेना है किस वेक्टर पे, दूसरे वेक्टर पे। दूसरा वेक्टर क्या दिया हमें 6 2 3, 6 आई कैप 2 जे कैप 3 के कैप। तो एक वेक्टर का दूसरे वेक्टर के अलोंग प्रोजेक्शन कैसे लिखते हैं, प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ ए वेक्टर ऑन बी वेक्टर, that is a dot b magnitude upon modulus means magnitude of b vector. So now here we can write a dot b. What is a dot b? A dot b 6 plus 12 plus 0. This is 12 and 6 18. And what about magnitude of b? Magnitude of b is under root 6 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. So what is this? This one is 36 plus 4 plus 9. Okay, this is 49, 49 means this is 7। so magnitude of b जो है वो ये आ गया। अब फाइनली इसमें वैल्यू पुट कर देते हैं यहाँ पे 18 अपॉन 7। दिस इज आवर फाइनल आंसर। सो विच ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट, 18 अपॉन 7, थर्ड ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट। ओके, तो सवाल तो आसान था, कॉन्सेप्ट सिंपल सा था, तो आप लोग इसको देख सकते हैं। चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 करते हैं। इस सवाल के अंदर हमें क्या बोला गया है, लेट द लाइन एल पासिस थ्रू द पॉइंट दिस। ओके, एक लाइन है जो इस पॉइंट से पास करती है। लेट सपोज दिस इज द लाइन, लेट मी चेंज द कलर। ओके, so this is the line and this line is passing through which point, this is minus 3 comma 5 comma 2, line is passing through this point and makes equal angles with the positive coordinate axis। equal angles का मतलब ये है कि ये तीनों एक्सिस से सेम एंगल बनाती है। तो cos अल्फा cos बीटा और cos गामा जो है वो सेम वैल्यू आएगी। वो सेम वैल्यू आएगी तो direction vector along this line you can write, if all three are same na, so ratio will be 1 comma 1 comma 1 only, so 1 comma 1 comma 1, this is the direction vector along the line। if you know the point on the line, direction vector on the line along the line, so you can write the equation of line, that is x minus x1 divided by a equal to y minus y1 divided by b equal to z minus z1 divided by c equal to lambda। if you want to take the general point on the line, you directly take it equal to lambda, so it will be lambda minus 3, x is lambda minus 3, y is equal to lambda plus 5 and z equal to lambda plus 2। this is the general point on the line, this is the general point on the line। now read the question। after that, if the distance L from the point this is this, okay, if the distance of this, there is a point minus 2 comma r comma 1, distance of this point from this line, distance of this point from this line, this is given us, this distance is root 14। let's suppose this point is p, this point is m, so we can say pm is equal to root 14 by 3, this is given to us। and पूछ रहा है कि sum of all values of r, So we have to find this r. So pm is this, so pm square is 14/3 मीन्स आवर अल्टीमेट गोल, हमारा अल्टीमेट गोल क्या है, पी एम निकालना। पी एम कैसे निकालेंगे, पी पता है पॉइंट, एम पॉइंट मुझे निकालना पड़ेगा। तो एम पॉइंट मैंने जनरल फॉर्म में मान लिया है, दिस इज एम पॉइंट। ओके, जनरल पॉइंट में जनरल फॉर्मेट में मान लिया। अब मैं क्या करूँगा, वही प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में क्या किया था, पी एम वैक्टर लिखेंगे और पी एम वैक्टर जो है ये परपेंडिकुलर है किसके, इसके डायरेक्शन वैक्टर के। सो पी एम वैक्टर, पी एम वैक्टर इज इक्वल टू, so lambda minus 3 plus 2 I cap है पोजिशन वेक्टर ऑफ m माइनस पोजिशन वेक्टर ऑफ p। सो ये हो जाएगा lambda प्लस 5 माइनस r j कैप प्लस ये हो जाएगा lambda प्लस 2 माइनस 1 k कैप। ठीक है, तो यहाँ से पी एम वैक्टर कितना आ जाएगा मेरे पास भाई, तो ये आ जाएगा lambda माइनस 1 I कैप प्लस लैम्डा प्लस 5 माइनस आर जे कैप प्लस लैम्डा प्लस 1 के कैप। ये पी एम वैक्टर आ गया। अब हमें पता है कि पी एम इज परपेंडिकुलर टू डी वैक्टर। तो अगर दोनों परपेंडिकुलर है तो पी एम वैक्टर डॉट डी वैक्टर, दोनों का डॉट प्रोडक्ट किसके बराबर होगा, 0 के बराबर। सो कर देते हैं, ये कितना हो जाएगा लैम्डा माइनस 1 प्लस लैम्डा प्लस 5 माइनस आर प्लस लैम्डा प्लस 1 इक्वल टू 0, क्योंकि पी एम वैक्टर ये रहा और डी वैक्टर ये रहा, तो 1 को जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो वो तो वही रहेगा ना, तो ये डायरेक्टली आ जाएगा लैम्डा प्लस लैम्डा ये हो जाएगा 3 लैम्डा, यहाँ से 5 प्लस 1 6, 6 माइनस 1 5 प्लस 1 6, 6 माइनस 1 5, तो ये आ गया मेरे पास 5 एंड माइनस आर इक्वल टू 0। सो यहाँ से मुझे लेमडा की वैल्यू निकालनी है, तो लेमडा मेरे पास आ जाएगा आर माइनस 5 डिवाइडेड बाई 3। ये मेरे पास आया लेमडा। अभी गेम खत्म नहीं हुआ है, ये तो लेमडा आया मेरे पास, तो लेमडा यहाँ पे रखूंगा तो मेरे पास पॉइंट पी आएगा और फिर उन दोनों के बीच की डिस्टेंस रखूंगा। तो अगर लेमडा को यहाँ रखते हैं, अगर हम लोग लेमडा को यहाँ रखते हैं तो ये पॉइंट क्या आ जाएगा हमारे पास, ये आ जाएगा r माइनस 5/3 माइनस 3। ठीक है, y कोऑर्डिनेट क्या आ जाएगा, r माइनस 5/3 प्लस 5, और z कोऑर्डिनेट क्या आ जाएगा हमारे पास, r माइनस 5/3 एंड प्लस 2। ये हमारे पास m के कोऑर्डिनेट्स आ गए। अब मुझे तो pm निकालना है, डिस्टेंस निकालनी है ना, तो चलिए नेक्स्ट पेज पे चल लेते हैं। pm स्क्वायर ही निकाल लेते हैं, तो मुझे स्क्वायर रूट नहीं लिखना पड़ेगा। तो 2 पॉइंट है मेरे पास p और m। तो p है -2 pm ना x माइनस x1 -2 माइनस, सो ऐसे लिखो। पहले मैं इस पॉइंट को ले लेता हूँ, ये जो है r माइनस 5/3 माइनस 3, r माइनस 5/3 माइनस 3, 5/3 माइनस 3 माइनस x माइनस x1, x1 इज -2 ना, सो माइनस माइनस प्लस 2 होल स्क्वायर प्लस ये क्या आ जाएगा r माइनस 5/3 प्लस 5, r माइनस 5/3 प्लस 5 माइनस y2 माइनस y1, y1 कितना आ जाएगा मेरे पास, y1 आ जाएगा r, तो माइनस r होल स्क्वायर प्लस थर्ड वाला जो है ये क्या आएगा, r माइनस 5/3 प्लस 2 माइनस 1 प्लस 2 माइनस 1 होल स्क्वायर। दिस डिस्टेंस, ये जो डिस्टेंस है ये किसके बराबर है, ये बराबर है 14/3 के, 14/3। तो जब इसको सोल्व करेंगे, सोल्व, तो यहाँ पे r में क्वाड्रेटिक बनेगी, r में क्वाड्रेटिक बनेगी तो सोल्व करोगे तो r की 2 वैल्यूज आएंगी, r इक्वल टू 3 एंड r इक्वल टू 7। So what they are asking? They are asking sum of all possible values of r. So there are two possible values of r, that is r equal to 3 and 7. So sum, what is the sum? Sum of values. Sum of values is 3 plus 7, that is 10 is our final answer. Okay, तो थोड़ा सा कैलकुलेशन है, देख लेना. दैट इज फोर्थ ऑप्शन. तो चलिए इस सवाल को करते हैं. इसके अंदर हमें बोला है पी अल्फा बीटा गामा बी द पॉइंट ऑन द लाइन. अल्फा बीटा गामा, दिस इज अ पॉइंट गिवन on this line. Which line? X minus 1 divided by 2 equal to y plus 1 divided by minus 3 equal to z. So alpha beta gamma is the pointer. Okay, so we can take the general point on this line now, make this equal to lambda, and general point we can write x equal to 2 lambda plus 1, y equal to 3 lambda minus 1. Oh sorry, this is minus 3 na? So minus 3 lambda minus 1, and z equal to lambda only. Okay, after this they are saying distance of this point from 1 comma minus 1 comma 0 is 4 root 14. Okay, so use distance formula. So we can say distance between this point and this point 1 comma minus 1 comma 0, this distance is 4 root 14. Okay, so we can use the distance formula. 2 lambda plus 1 minus 1 whole square plus minus 3 lambda minus 1 minus minus plus 1 whole square plus lambda minus 0 whole square. This distance is equal to 4 root 14, but when you will square both sides there will be 4 root 14 whole square, because if you will square root will eliminate from this side. Okay, distance formula. Now after this 2 lambda whole square means 4 lambda square plus 3 3 is 9 lambda square plus lambda square equal to 16 into 14. Okay, 9 1 10 14, 14 lambda square equal to 16 into 14. So from here we can say lambda equal to plus minus 4, lambda equal to plus minus 4. But they are asking this point is nearest to origin. Okay, so what are the point? So when you will take lambda equal to minus 4, okay, what is the coordinates of point? Point P is put lambda equal to minus 4 here. So 2 into minus 4, 2 into minus 4 plus 1 comma minus 3 into minus 4 minus 1 comma minus 4. So this is point P is 4 to the 8 minus 8 plus 1 minus 7 comma 4 3 is 12 minus 1 11 comma this one is minus 4. So this is point P. If you will take lambda equal to 4, lambda equal to 4, you will get the point. Put lambda equal to 4 here, 4 to the 8 plus 1 9, 9 comma something something. But they are saying this point is nearer to the origin. Nearer to the origin is this one now, minus 7, and this is plus 9. So which one is nearest to origin? Minus 7 now. So this is the point which is nearer to origin. Okay, so this is point P. Now they are saying x minus alpha by 1. So what is alpha? Alpha is this one, beta is this one, and gamma is this one. So we can write the equation of line. Equation of line is equal to x minus minus, this is alpha, alpha is minus 7, so it is plus 7 no? You can write like this. Okay, so this one after this divided by 1 equal to y minus beta, beta is 11 divided by 2 equal to z minus gamma, gamma is minus 4, so minus minus plus 4 divided by 3. This is the line. Another line is this one, x plus 5 divided by 2, y minus 10 divided by 1, and z minus 3 divided by 1. Now they are asking the shortest distance between these two lines. So how to find the shortest distance between these two lines? So lines are in Cartesian form. If lines are in Cartesian form, what is the formula of SD? Distance between these two lines is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. I am writing the formula, okay? After that we'll do it. This is a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3. This divided by I cap, j cap, k cap, a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3. What is a1, a2, a3? Direction ratio along line L1. And what is b1, b2, b3? Direction ratio along line L2. This one, this one, this one. Okay. What about x2 minus x1? x1 is the point, x1, y1, z1 is the point on the line, first line, and x2, y2, z2 is the point on second line. Okay. So we can write here, we can write directly. I am writing, so shortest distance equal to, I am putting the value. What is the point on this line, second line? This is a minus 5 comma 10 comma 3, minus 5 comma 10 comma 3. So x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. What is the point on first line? Point on the first line is minus 7. This one is minus 7, 11 and minus 4. Minus 7, 11 and minus 4. So it will be plus 4. What is the direction vector along the line? Direction vector for this line is 1 2 3 and this 2 1 1. 1 2 3 2 1 1. Okay. Divided by I cap, j cap, k cap, and this is 1 2 3 and this is 2 1 1. Okay. So when you will solve this numerator, this determinant will be 28. When you will simplify, you will get 28. What about this? Open this determinant. So this is I cap, this is magnitude, yani modulus. So magnitude of this resultant na. So I cap into this, delete 2 minus 3 minus 1, minus j cap into delete 1 minus 6 minus 5 plus k cap into this, delete 1 minus minus 4, 1 minus 4, 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Okay. So this is a 28 upon magnitude. What is the magnitude of this vector? This is 1 square, 5 square plus 3 square plus 3 square. So this is a 28 upon 25 plus 9 plus 110, that is 35, root 35. So you can write this 28 as root 7 into root 7 into 4 divided by 35 can be written root 7 into root 5. So root 7 cancel. This is 4 root 7 divided by 5. This is our final answer. Okay. 4 root 7 by 5, that is second option. ठीक है, तो सवाल तो आसान था, बस थोड़ा सा कैलकुलेटिव था. तो चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में हमें बोला है कि if the image of point P in the line this, okay, there is a point P is this one. Point P is 1, 2, A. They are saying image of the point P in this line is Q. So point Q is given 5 comma B comma C. Okay, and this line equation of line is given here. Okay, after that, if this is the image, so this distance equal to this distance, so this is the midpoint. If this is the midpoint, so let's suppose this midpoint is M. So how to find the coordinate of midpoint? Using midpoint formula, 1 plus 5 by 2, 1 plus 5 by 2, that is 6 by 2, 6 by 2, comma 2 plus B by 2, comma A plus C by 2. This is the midpoint. Okay, this is a 3 comma 3 comma 2 plus B by 2, comma A plus C by 2. Okay, this is the midpoint. If this is the midpoint, this midpoint lies on this line now. So this point must satisfy the line. So what is line? X minus 6 by 3 equal to y minus 7 by 2 equal to 7 minus z. So I can write this line in this format now. Minus common z minus 7 divided by 2. Okay, so this minus sign you can take in denominator here. Okay, so this is the line. Now put this point in this line. So 3 minus 6 divided by 3 equal to 2 plus b by 2 minus 7 divided by 2 equal to z minus, what is z? Z is a plus c by 2 na, a plus c by 2 minus 7 divided by minus 2. Now this is 3 minus 6 is minus 3 and minus 3 by 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 equal to, here take LCM. So when you will take LCM, it is 2 plus b minus 14 divided by 4 equal to a plus c minus 14 divided by minus 4. Okay, now from the first and second ratio, from first and second ratio, first and second ratio, what we can write? Minus 4 equal to b minus 12. So b equal to 8. So b is 8 from here. Okay, now from first and third ratio, from first and third ratio, what you can write? 4 equal to a plus c minus 14. So what is the value of a plus c? A plus c equal to 14 plus 4, 18 na? This is equation number 2. This is equation number 2. Now we want one more equation so that we can find a, b and c. So from where we will get the third equation? Look, we can find PQ vector, and PQ vector is perpendicular to the direction vector of this line. What is the direction vector of this line? I am writing the direction vector of this line. So direction vector D vector equal to, so direction vector is this one na, 3, 2 and minus 2. So 3 I cap plus 2 j cap and minus 2 k cap. This is the direction vector of line. What about PQ vector? PQ vector means 5 minus 1, that is 4 I cap plus b minus 2 j cap plus c minus a k cap. Now if these two are perpendicular, that means their dot product is 0 na? So dot product of these two vectors equal to 0. So d dot PQ vector, you can write d vector dot PQ vector equal to 0. So what is d vector? 3, 2 minus 2. I am writing directly 3, 2 minus 2. I am not writing cap. Okay, dot. Another PQ vector is 4 b minus 2 c minus a. 4 b minus 2 c minus a. This dot should be 0. So 3 into 4, 12. Okay, 2 into plus 2b minus 4 by 2 into b minus 2 and minus 2 into c minus a. So minus 2c and plus 2a equal to 0. So from here we can say, by b is 8 na, so you can put the value of b, 12 plus 8 to the 16 minus 4 minus 2c plus 2a equal to 0. So here 16 minus 4, 12, 12 plus 12, 24, 24. So you can write 2a minus 2c equal to minus 24. So here a minus c is equal to divided by 2 minus 12. So this is equation number 3. Now from equation number 2 and 3, what is equation number 2? A plus c equal to 18. A plus c equal to 18. So add these two equations. This is second equation, this is third. So add 2 plus 3. So when you will add these two equations, c will cancel out. 2a equal to 18 minus 12. So 18 minus 12 is 6 na. So a is equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. If a is 3, what is the value of b? C. So c is equal to 15. Now they are asking value of a square plus b square plus c square. So square all these, 3 square plus 8 square plus 15 square. When you will square and you will add, you will get 298. 298. This is your answer. That is which option? Third option, C option. ओके, तो चलिए इस सवाल को करते हैं. इस सवाल में बोला गया है द वर्टाइसेस बी एंड सी ऑफ ए ट्राइंगल ए बी सी लाई ऑन द लाइन दिस. ओके, vertices B and C of triangle ABC. Let's suppose this is the triangle ABC. This is the triangle A, B and C. Okay. A, B, C. So vertex B and C lie on this line. So B and C on this line. So equation of this line is given to us. Okay. This is the equation of BC. Okay. The coordinate of A and B. Okay. Coordinates are also given for A and B. For A it is 1, 6, 3. For point B coordinates are 4, 9, alpha. Okay. C is at a distance of 10 unit from B. Okay. This length is 10. This length is 10. They are asking area of this triangle ABC. So how to find the area of triangle? Area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. Height is, let's suppose this is the perpendicular we are drawing. This is perpendicular. This point is D. Okay. So AD. So ultimately BC we know now. BC is 10. Half into 10 into AD. Our target is to find AD. So this is 5 times AD. 5 times AD. So once we get the AD, we get the area of triangle now. So how to find this AD? Our goal is this one. So this point is given. So this point satisfy. This point must satisfy this line now. So put this point B in this line. So that is 4 upon 1. 1 minus 9 divided by minus 2 equal to Z minus, what is Z? Z is alpha. So alpha minus 2 divided by 3. So from here we can find the value of alpha now. So alpha is equal to 12 plus 2, that is 14. Alpha is 14 by 3 into 4, first ratio and third ratio. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2, that is 14. So alpha is 14. So alpha is 14. That means point B is, what is the coordinates of point B? Point B is 4, 9, 4, 9, 14. Now our target is to find this AD. So for that we have to find, हमें D पॉइंट को निकालना पड़ेगा. इस D पॉइंट को कैसे निकालेंगे? यहाँ से इस D पॉइंट को निकालने के लिए मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? पहले तो इस लाइन का डायरेक्शन वेक्टर, और इस लाइन के ऊपर मैं इस D को एक जनरल पॉइंट मान लेता हूँ. और वो जनरल पॉइंट मैं कैसे मानूंगा? इसको मैं कर देता हूँ लैम्डा के बराबर. देखो ये जो लाइन लिखी है x अपॉन 1 इक्वल टू 1 माइनस वाई है ना, तो माइनस कॉमन ले लो, y माइनस 1 डिवाइडेड बाई माइनस 2 equal to z minus 2 by 3, and this is equal to lambda. Okay, Now from here x equal to lambda, and what is the value of y? This minus and this minus is plus na. So y equal to 2 lambda plus 1. What is the value of z? Z equal to 3 lambda plus 2. So this is the coordinate of point D. This is the general point on the line, that is D, D point. Now we know the direction vector of the line. What is the direction vector of line? D vector. D vector is equal to 1, 2, 3, means I cap, 2 j cap and 3 k cap. Okay. What about AD vector? How to find AD vector? Let's write here AD vector. So AD vector is, D point is this one and A point is given. So lambda minus 1 I cap plus 2 lambda plus 1 minus 6 j cap plus 3 lambda plus 2 minus 3 k cap. So from here we can say AD vector equal to, what is AD vector? Lambda minus 1 I cap, lambda minus 1 I cap plus 2 lambda minus 5 j cap, 2 lambda minus 5 j cap plus 3 lambda minus 1 k cap, 3 lambda minus 1 k cap. This is AD vector. What is the direction vector? Direction vector along the line is I cap, j cap, 2 j cap, 3 k cap. Right. This is direction vector, this is AD vector, so both are perpendicular, so their dot product is 0. So their dot product is 0. So AD vector dot D vector should be 0. So lambda minus 1 plus 2 into 2 lambda minus 5 plus 3 into 3 lambda minus 1 equal to 0. So lambda minus 1 plus 4 lambda minus 10 plus 3 3 is a 9 lambda minus 3 equal to 0. So 9 lambda plus lambda 10, 10 and 4 14, 14 lambda minus 14 equal to 0. So from here lambda is equal to 1. If lambda is 1, can you tell me AD vector? Okay, if lambda is 1, no need to tell AD vector. Tell me, okay, yes, AD vector. What is AD vector? Put lambda equal to 1. So 0 I cap plus 2 minus 5. Put lambda equal to 1 here. Na? So 2 minus 3. Minus 3 j cap plus 3 minus 1, 2 k cap. So what is the magnitude of this AD vector? We have to find this length now. So we have to take the magnitude. So 3 square plus 2 square. 3 square is 9 plus 4. That is root 13. Root 13. So what is the area of triangle? Area of triangle is 5 AD. So 5 root 13. So 5 root 13 means first option is your answer. Okay. So next question है. इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर हमें क्या बोला गया है कि इमेज ऑफ ए पॉइंट P, image of a point P, that is point P is a comma 2 comma a, and image of this point in the line this. Okay, there is a line and image of point this in this line is point Q. Okay, and Q is the image. Okay, and the image of Q in another line, image of Q in another line is P itself. P itself means a comma 2 comma a only. So this is the another line. I don't know this line, but here it is given that image of point Q in this line is this one, and this line is this one. Okay, okay, fine. Now we have to find about PQ. Okay, they are asking A plus B. What they are asking? A plus B. So how to find A plus B? That is our final target. Okay, so we can do one thing. This point P is there. We can take a general point on this first line. What is the general point? take this line equal to lambda, so x equal to 2 lambda comma lambda minus a comma lambda. This is the general point on the line. General point on this line, how to take? Let's suppose this equal to mu, this line equal to mu, so 2 mu plus 2b, 2 mu plus 2b comma mu plus a comma minus 5 mu minus 2b. Okay, this is the general point on the second line, this is the general point on the first line. Now we can do one thing, this is point q now, so point q we can find the coordinates of point q. How to find the coordinates of point q? Point q is, let's suppose, alpha comma beta comma gamma. So alpha plus a divided by 2 equal to 2 lambda, because this distance is equal to this distance. Okay, so from here we can say alpha equal to 4 lambda minus a. Okay, what about the second y coordinate? This is 2 plus beta divided by 2 equal to lambda minus a. By this point is alpha comma beta comma gamma. Okay, so 2 plus beta equal to 2 lambda minus 2a. From here we can say beta equal to 2 lambda minus 2a minus 2. What about gamma? So it is a plus gamma divided by 2 equal to lambda. From here we can say 2 lambda minus a equal to gamma. So this is gamma. This is gamma. Okay. Okay. So alpha beta gamma we know. Now this alpha beta gamma, image of this alpha beta gamma in this line is this one now. So this is the midpoint. So again apply the midpoint of this. Okay. So we can say alpha plus a divided by 2 is this one. Okay. Alpha plus a divided by 2 equal to 2 mu plus 2b. 2 mu plus 2b. So what is alpha? Alpha is 4 lambda minus a. 4 lambda minus a plus a divided by 2 equal to 2 mu plus 2b. A cancel. So from here 2 lambda equal to 2 mu plus 2b. 2 cancel. Lambda minus mu equal to b. First equation. After this, what we can say? Another point is beta plus 2 by 2. Beta plus 2 by 2 equal to, what is the midpoint? Mu plus a. Mu plus a. From here we can say beta equal to, okay, what is beta? What is beta? Beta is 2 lambda minus 2a minus 2. 2 lambda minus 2a minus 2 plus 2 divided by 2 equal to mu plus a. This 2 minus 2 cancel. This 2 and this 2 also cancel. Lambda minus a equal to mu plus a. From here we can say lambda minus mu equal to 2a. This is equation number second. From equation first and second, from first and second we can write, what we can write? B equal to 2a. B equal to 2a. Now what about the z coordinate? Z coordinate is gamma plus a divided by 2. Gamma plus a divided by 2 equal to minus 5 mu minus 2b. Minus 5 mu minus 2b. So from here, what is the value of gamma? What is the value of gamma? Gamma is, here is gamma, 2 lambda minus a. 2 lambda minus a plus a divided by 2 equal to minus 5 mu minus 2b. So from here a cancel. 2 lambda, 2 cancel, so from here we can write lambda equal to, bring this mu also this side, lambda plus 5 mu equal to minus 2b, equation number 3. So from here b is this one, okay, b equal to 2a. From here we can write b equal to 2a, and we can find lambda and mu in terms of a by put b equal to 2a in this equation. So lambda plus 5 mu equal to minus 2 into 2a, so it is minus 4a. Lambda plus 5 mu equal to minus 4a. This is equation number 4. Now from this equation and from the second equation we can find what, we can find value of lambda and value of mu. What is the value of lambda? Lambda equal to a. What is the value of mu? You will get minus a. When you will solve these two equations, you will get lambda equal to a, mu equal to minus a. Once you got this one, that means now our ultimate target is to find a. Our ultimate target is to find a. How to find? Look, here alpha beta we know, and this one is also we know. So in this equation we can say this is the point P, a comma 2 comma a, 2 comma a. This is the line and this is the point on the line, and coordinate of this point is, look, 2 lambda, lambda minus a, and lambda, 2 lambda, lambda minus a, and lambda comma lambda. So this is the point of this point. Direction vector of this first line is 2 1 1, 2 1 1. How to find a? I am doing that thing. Okay, so what is the value of lambda? Lambda is a, so put a here. So 2a comma 0 comma a. Now find this vector. Let's suppose this point is m. Find this vector pm vector. Pm vector will be perpendicular to this direction vector. From there we will make dot equal to 0. So pm vector, what is pm vector? Pm vector is 2a minus a I cap comma minus 2 j cap comma 0. This is pm vector, and this is direction vector d vector 2 comma 1 comma 1. So pm dot d vector, this equal to 0. So 2a minus 2 equal to 0. So from here a equal to 1. If a equal to 1, what is the value of b? B equal to 2. If a is 1, b is 2. What is a plus b? A plus b is 3 na. So this is your final answer. Okay, so question was good, but calculation wise it was little bit lengthy. Okay, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास, sum of all the values of alpha for which the shortest distance between the line this and this is root 2. Okay, shortest distance between these two lines. Directly you can use Cartesian form of shortest distance na, that is x2 minus x1, means point on this line minus point on this line. So point is on this line is minus 1 comma 2 comma 4. Point on this line is 0 comma 1 comma 1. Okay, so this minus 1, 2 minus 1 1, 4 minus 1 3, and where what is here? Here it is direction vector alpha minus 1 minus alpha. Okay, what about this another line? This direction vector is alpha 2 and 2 alpha divided by magnitude of I cap, j cap, k cap, direction vector alpha minus 1 minus alpha, alpha 2 2 alpha. If you have not remembered this formula, please remember. Okay, and after this when you will simplify it, okay, and make this equal to root 2. Shortest distance is what? Root 2 given in the question na. When you will simplify it, you will get the value of alpha, that is minus 7 and 1. That is minus 7 and 1. From here you will get two values of alpha. You can open this determinant easily. Okay, so alpha is equal to -7 and 1, but they are asking sum of all values. So sum is, from here we can say sum is equal to -7 plus 1, that is -6. So -6 is our final answer. Okay, तो चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास. लेट द लाइन एल पासिंग थ्रू द पॉइंट 1,1,1 be perpendicular to the line this and this. Okay, a line which is perpendicular to this line and this line both. So can you tell me the direction vector of the line which is perpendicular to the both line? How to find the direction vector? We can find direction vector by cross method, है ना, cross product. So if a vector is the direction vector of this line, that is 4,1,1, this is the direction vector. B vector is the direction vector of this another line 1,1,0. Okay, now how to find direction vector of the line which is perpendicular to both these lines? By using cross product, I cap, j cap, k cap. This is 4,1,1,10, sorry, 110, 110. Now open this determinant. So when you will open this determinant, I cap into, this is 0 minus 1, so -1, minus j cap into, delete 0 minus 1 plus k cap into, delete 4 minus 1 3. So this is the direction vector of the line. So equation of line we can write now. Direction vector is this one, point is this one. So direction vector is minus I cap plus j cap plus 3k cap. So equation of line I am writing in vector form. Okay, so r vector equal to a vector plus lambda times b vector. This is the equation of line now. So how to write? Position vector of point is 1,1,1 plus lambda times direction vector is this. So I am not writing ijk. Okay, so this one only. So after this they are saying let the line L intersect, this is the equation of line L. Okay, let the line L intersect yz plane at point Q. Okay, if this line intersect at yz plane, that means at yz plane x is 0 now. So here we can take the general point on the line 1 minus lambda 1, this is lambda 1 plus lambda, and this is 1 plus 3 lambda. Okay, in this way. So they are saying x coordinate is 0. That means, because x coordinate is 0 because yz plane na, intersect at yz plane. At yz plane x coordinate is 0, so x coordinate is 1 minus lambda, this equal to 0. That means lambda equal to 1. So lambda we got 1. So now what we can say, intersect at point Q. So point Q is put lambda equal to 1 here. So this is 1 minus 1 0, comma 1 plus 1 2, comma 1 plus 3 4. So this is point Q. Another line parallel to L. Okay, another line is there which is parallel to this line only, L line. Means if line is parallel, that means direction vector will be same. Direction vector of another line is same, -1,1,3. Another line which is parallel to this line and passing through point this S. So passing through point S. So point S is 1,0, -1. So can you tell me the line? Yes, using these two we can write equation of line is equal to r vector equal to a vector, means point 1,0, -1, plus mu times direction vector -1, 1,3. And this line intersect yz plane, again yz plane at point R. Okay, if yz plane is there, that means again x coordinate is 0, so x is 1 minus mu, this is equal to 0. So from here mu is equal to 1. If you will put mu is equal to 1 in this equation, you will get point R. So point R is equal to 1,0, -1 plus mu is 1 na, so -1, 1 and 3. So x coordinate, so 1 minus 1 is 0, and y coordinate 1. Minus 1 plus 3 is 2. So this is point R. This is point R. This is point Q. Now what they are asking? They are asking then the square of the area of parallelogram PQRS. Okay, square of the area they are asking now. PQRS. PQRS is a parallelogram. If a parallelogram is there, how to find the area of parallelogram? PQRS. So PQ cross PS. PQ cross PS. Magnitude. This is the area. So we have to find PQ cross PS. What is P? What are the coordinates of P? 1 1 1. Coordinates of P is 1 1 1. What are the coordinates of Q? 0 2 4. 0 2 4. What are the coordinates of S? S is 1 0 minus 1. 1 0 minus 1. 1 0 minus 1. Okay. Okay, fine. Now if they are asking area, so we have to find this PQ vector and PS vector. What is PQ vector? PQ vector is I cap 2 minus 1 1 j cap and 4 minus 1 3 k cap. What is PS vector? PS vector is 0 I cap minus j cap and minus 2 k cap. Now find PQ cross PS. I can write here I cap, j cap, k cap. Here it is 1 1 3. Here it is 0 minus 1 minus 2. Okay. Now open this determinant. I cap minus 2 plus 3 minus 2 plus 3 minus j cap, delete minus 2 plus k cap, delete minus 1. So 3 minus 2 1, that is I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap. So this is PQ cross PS, but we have to take the magnitude now. When we will take magnitude, this is under root 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. So 4 plus 5 plus 6, root 6. Root 6 is our area of this parallelogram. Root 6 is our answer, but they are asking square. Square means root 6 square. Root 6 square means 6 is our final answer, not this one. 6 is our final answer. Okay, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं. इस सवाल में हमें बोला है क्यू ए बी सी बी द इमेज ऑफ पॉइंट 3, 2, 1. Okay, point P is there 3, 2, 1 and image of this point in a line is Q. So this point Q is A, B and C and this is the line. So we can take the general point on the line, yes or no. So what is the general point on the line? This is lambda plus 1 comma 2 lambda comma lambda plus 1. How? Because take it equal to lambda and then find value of x, y, z. So this is the general point on the line. Now we can, let's suppose this point is M, so we can find PM vector. PM vector. So what is PM vector? PM vector is lambda plus 1 minus 3 I cap plus 2 lambda minus 2 j cap plus lambda plus 1 minus 1 k cap. So PM vector is equal to lambda minus 2 I cap plus 2 lambda minus 2 j cap plus lambda k cap. This is PM vector. Now we know direction vector along this line. What is the direction vector along this line? Direction vector along this line D vector is equal to, D vector is 1 2 1 1 2 and 1. So PM vector and this D vector both are perpendicular now. D vector 1 2 1 both are perpendicular, so their dot product is 0. So PM vector dot D vector equal to 0. So make it equal to 0. So lambda minus 2 plus 2 to the 4 lambda minus 4 by 2 into this plus 1 into lambda is lambda only equal to 0. So 6 lambda equal to 6. From here lambda equal to 1. If lambda is 1, can you tell me the coordinates of point M? Point M is lambda is 1 now, 1 plus 1 2, 2 and 2. Point M is 2. So if M is 2, 2 2 and point P is given, can you find the coordinates of Q? Yes. So how to find? Use the midpoint formula. So A plus 3 divided by 2 equal to M. Another is B plus 2 divided by 2 equal to 2, and C plus 1 divided by 2 equal to 2. So from here A equal to 4 minus 3 is 1, B equal to 4 minus 2 is 2, C equal to 4 minus 1 is 3. So ABC is 1 comma 2 comma 3, 1 comma 2 comma 3. These are the coordinates of point Q. Now they are asking the distance of Q from the line this. Okay, so another line is there. Distance of Q, this is 1 comma 2 comma 3 from the line this. So this is the line. So we have to find this distance. Let's suppose this point is R. We have to find QR. To find QR we need to find R. So how to find R? Take a general point on this line. How to take the general point on this line? So this line, let's suppose equal to lambda. Sorry, if lambda you have taken, take it equal to mu. So from here you can say this line is 3 mu plus 9, 3 mu plus 9 comma 2 mu plus 9, 2 mu plus 9 comma this is minus 2 mu plus 5, minus 2 mu plus 5. This is the point. What is the direction vector of this line? Direction vector of this line is 3 2 minus 2, 3 comma 2 comma minus 2. Again we are doing the same thing. We will find QR vector. To find the value of mu, we will make the dot product 0 again. So QR vector is 3 mu plus 9 minus 1 plus 8 I cap, 2 mu plus 9 minus 2 plus 7 j cap, minus 2 mu plus 5 minus 3 plus 2 k cap, and dot with this vector 3 2 minus 2. So let's suppose it is d1 vector. So d1 vector 3 I cap 2 j cap minus 2 k cap. Now QR dot d1, because both are perpendicular, so dot product is 0. So 3 mu plus 8 into 3 plus 2 into 2 mu plus 7 plus minus 2 into minus 2 mu plus 2 equal to 0. From here what is the value of mu? Look, 3 3 is 9 mu plus 24 plus 4 mu plus 14 minus plus 4 mu minus 4 equal to 0. So from here we can say 4 mu plus 4 mu 8 mu, 8 mu plus 9 mu 17 mu, and here 24 minus 4 20 and plus 14 34. So this is equal to minus 34. So mu equal to minus 2. If mu is minus 2, can you tell me the coordinates of R? Yes, coordinates of R is equal to mu equal to minus 2. So 3 to the minus 6, minus 6 plus 9 comma mu is minus 2, minus 4 plus 9 comma mu is minus 2 to 2 to the 4 5 4 9. So coordinates of R is 3 comma 5 comma 9. So they are asking QR means distance between these 2 points, yes or no? So what is the distance? 3 minus 1 whole square, 3 minus 1 that is 2 square, plus 5 minus 2 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3, so 3 square, 9 minus 3 is 6 square. This is under root 4 plus 9 plus 36. This is root 49, and root 49 is nothing but 7. So this is our final answer. So this is 7, that means third option is our right answer. ओके इस सवाल में बोला गया है इफ द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द पॉइंट 1, 2, a फ्रॉम द लाइन x minus 1/1. ओके डिस्टेंस ऑफ दिस पॉइंट, distance of this point is 1, 2, a from the line this. Okay, this is the line, first line. Okay, this is line number 1, this is first. Let's suppose this is line L, this is L1, this is L2. Distance of this line from this point along a line, along this line, let's suppose this line is L1, and along another line, let's suppose this another line is this one, this line is L2. Okay, L1 and L2 are equal, this distance is equal. Let's suppose this point is P, so this point is A and this point is B. Okay, this distance is equal, it is given in the question. Okay, then a plus b plus c they are asking. Okay, so to find a plus b plus c, we can do one thing. What we can do, we can find the point A now. How to find point A? We can take the general point on line L1. So A is general point on line L1, general point on line L1. So how to find general point on line L1? Take it equal to lambda. When you will take it equal to lambda, so L1 is x equal to 3 lambda plus 1, y equal to 4 lambda plus 2, and z equal to b lambda minus plus a. Now this point lies on first line also na. This point lies on this line L na. Okay, so it must satisfy this line. So it must satisfy L. So put this point in line L. So x, that is 3 lambda plus 1 divided by 1, or minus 1 divided by 1, equal to y by 2. Y by 2 means 4 lambda plus 2 divided by 2, equal to z b lambda plus a minus 1 divided by 1. So from here 1 cancel, only 3 lambda, equal to 2 cancel, so 2 lambda plus 1. So from here lambda is equal to 1. If lambda is 1, put lambda here. So if lambda is 1, this is 3 lambda na, so this is 3, this is 3 only. So from first and third ratio 3 equal to b plus a minus 1. So a plus b equal to 4. A plus b equal to 4. Now our target is to find c also. So how to find c? We can do one thing. We can take a general point on this line. Take a general point on this line L2. What is the general point? Take in terms of mu. So if you will take in terms of mu, so make it equal to mu. So from here you can write x coordinate is mu plus 1, 4 mu plus 2, comma c mu plus a, and this point must satisfy line L also. So put this point in line L. So put this point in line L. Next page I am doing. X, what is line L? X minus 1 by 1 na. At place of x we have to write mu plus 1. This one, mu plus 1. I am writing here only na. So put this point B. Put this point B in L, in line L. So mu plus 1 minus 1 divided by 1 equal to y by 2. Y is 4 mu plus 2 divided by 2 equal to c mu plus a minus 1 divided by 1. So from here 1 cancel, mu 2 mu equal to, from first and second ratio no? From first and second ratio 2 mu equal to 4 mu plus 2. So 2 mu equal to minus 2. So mu equal to minus 1. If mu is -1, here we can put, if mu is -1, this is -1, this complete is -1. So -1 equal to c into mu. Mu is -1, so minus c plus a minus 1. -1 from here we can say a equal to c. A equal to c. If a equal to c is there, first equation was this one. A equal to c is the second equation. Now our target is to find a, b and c, but we don't have the value of b also. So how to do? Now one more condition is given. If the distance of the point this from the line this along this, means these two distances are equal, na, pa and pb, so make these two distances equal. So what are the coordinates of point a? Point a is this one, na. What is the value of lambda? Lambda is 1, so point a is 3 plus 1 4 comma 6 comma, this is a plus b. A plus b is 4. What are the coordinates of point b? Point b is mu plus 1. Mu is -1, so -1 plus 1 is 0 comma, -4 plus 2 is -2 comma, -1 plus a -1, that is a plus a minus c. A minus c is 0. Okay, now pa equal to pb. pa equal to pb. So we can say pa square equal to pb square. What is pa? Pa is this one, 4 minus 1 3 square, 6 minus 2 4 square, 3 square plus 4 square, 3 square plus 4 square plus third term. Third term is 4 minus a whole square. 4 minus a whole square equal to pb. What is pb? Pb is this one, 1 minus 0, 2 minus -2. So 1 is square, 4 is square and a is square. So 1 is square, 4 is square and a is square. So it is 9 plus 16 plus 16 plus a square minus 8a equal to 1 plus 16 plus a square. 16 16 a square cancel. Here it is 9, 16 plus 9 25, and this one is minus this side, this 8a this side, so 8a equal to 24. From here a equal to 3. If a is 3, from here if a is equal to 3, what is the value of b? B is equal to 4 minus 3, that is 1. If b is 1, a is 3, c is also 3, c is also 3, a is also 3. They are asking a plus b plus c, so 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 7. So first option is your answer. Okay, so चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं. हाँ, तो चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करते हैं. इस सवाल में हमें बोला है इफ द डिस्टेंस ऑफ पॉइंट दिस from the line this, okay, along the line with the direction ratio this is this one. Okay, there is a point p 43 comma alpha comma beta. Distance of this point from a line, from the line is given r vector equal to 4 I cap minus k cap plus mu times 2 I cap plus 3 k cap. Okay, along a line with the direction ratio. Okay, they are saying that this distance is 13 root 10. Okay, so this distance is 13 root 10. तो can you find this point? क्या हम लोग ये पॉइंट निकाल सकते हैं क्या? बिल्कुल निकाल सकते हैं. कैसे निकाल सकते हैं? This is the point of intersection of this line and this line. And what is the direction vector of this line? Direction vector of this line is given. Point is given. So if point is given, direction ratio is given. Can you write the equation of line? Yes. Let's suppose this point is M. So equation of PM. How to write equation of PM? X minus x1 divided by a means 3, equal to y minus y1 divided by b is -1, equal to z minus z1 divided by c, that is 0. This is the equation of PM. Okay, what is the equation of this line? This line equation is this one. So how to find the point of intersection of these two lines? So इनका point of intersection निकालने के लिए हम लोगों को क्या करना पड़ेगा, इस लाइन के ऊपर एक जनरल पॉइंट लेना पड़ेगा और इस लाइन पे जनरल पॉइंट लेना पड़ेगा और दोनों को हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इक्वल कर देंगे। तो इस पे जनरल पॉइंट लेने का क्या मेथड है, इक्वल टू लेमडा। सो यहाँ से हमारे पास जनरल पॉइंट m जो है, पॉइंट m जो है उसके कोऑर्डिनेट क्या आ जाएंगे, 3 लैम्डा प्लस 43 कोमा माइनस लैम्डा प्लस अल्फा कोमा बीटा, because 0 into lambda is 0 and this is beta only. From here what are the coordinates of m? From here coordinates of m we can write, means general point we can take na, and that will be the point of intersection, means both point will be same. So I am writing point m directly. So 4 plus 2 mu comma j is not there, only k is there, so j is 0. What about k? K is minus 1 plus 3 mu, this is k. So how to find the point of intersection if both points are same? So 3 lambda plus 43 equal to 4 plus 2 mu. From here what is the value of mu? Mu is equal to 3 lambda minus 43 minus 4 is 39, 39 divided by 2, this is mu. Okay, what about another second one, minus lambda plus alpha equal to 0, so alpha equal to lambda. Okay, third, minus 1 plus 3 mu is equal to beta. So from here what is the value of beta? Beta is this one, no? So from here you can write mu equal to beta plus 1 divided by 3. These are the three equations. Okay, now what are the coordinate of point P is 43 comma alpha comma beta. So you can write this is nothing but alpha is equal to lambda na, so this is, you can write P is 43 comma lambda comma beta. What about this another point m? Coordinates of m you can write, what you can write the coordinates of m? Coordinate of m is this one na, coordinates of m is 3 lambda plus 43. So 3 lambda is alpha, alpha plus 43 comma at place of lambda write alpha, so alpha minus alpha plus alpha, it is 0, and third point is beta. Now they are saying that distance between p and m is 13 root 10. So how to find distance between pm? Pm equal to 13 root 10, so it is 1690 pm square. So how to find the pm square? Look, 43 minus, okay, this minus this na, 3 alpha plus 43 minus 46, so 3 alpha whole square, 3 alpha whole square plus this is 0 minus lambda whole square, so lambda square, so lambda square plus beta minus beta is 0, beta minus beta is 0 square equal to 1690. So 3 alpha square, so it is 3 3 is 9 alpha square plus lambda square na, or they are asking alpha square plus beta square. So what is lambda square? Lambda square is nothing but alpha square only, equal to 1690. So tan alpha square equal to 1690. What is the value of alpha square? Alpha square is 169. This is the value of alpha square. They are asking alpha square plus beta square. If alpha is this one, can you find beta? Yes. What is beta? Beta is this one here. Alpha is equal to, wait, alpha is equal to what? Beta is less than 0, they are asking. Beta is less than 0 means beta is negative. Beta is negative. So how to find beta? Look, alpha square is this, so alpha equal to plus minus 13. So if alpha equal to plus minus 13, you can write here na, lambda here. You can write plus minus 13 here. So from here we can say mu equal to 3 into plus minus 13. 13 3 is 39 plus minus 39 plus 39 divided by 2. Okay, minus 39 plus 39, if you will take negative it will be 0. If you will take positive value, 39 plus 39 is 78 divided by 2. So this is 0 comma, this is 2 3 is 6. Okay, again 39, right? So 0 comma 39, mu is 0 comma 39. Can you find the value of beta from here? Yes, from here we can write beta equal to, if mu is 0, beta is minus 1. If mu is 39, beta is positive, but they are saying beta is negative. Beta is negative means beta is equal to minus 1 only. So beta square is plus 1. They are asking alpha square plus beta square. Alpha square is 169 plus beta square is 1. So it is 170. So 170 is your final answer. Very easy question. Okay. इस सवाल में बोला गया है let L be the line this and S be the set of all the points A, B, C on line L. Okay. There is a point on, many points are there on this line L in this format A, B, C, whose distance from this line along the line L is 7. Okay, again the same question is, अभी हमने एक दो सवाल किए थे उससे पहले, इसी टाइप का सवाल किया था, तो वही कॉन्सेप्ट लगेगा. तो सबसे पहले मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ कि इन दोनों लाइंस का पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन निकाल लूँगा, क्योंकि ये पॉइंट है, ये लाइन है, इस लाइन की इस पॉइंट से डिस्टेंस दे रखी है, तो ये डिस्टेंस मुझे दे रखी है 7. तो मैं क्या काम करूंगा, ये पॉइंट निकाल लेता हूँ, पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ दीज टू लाइंस. ओके, सो पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन, लेट सपोज पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन इज 7. लेट, सॉरी, पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन जो है उसको हम लोग मान लेते हैं m. ओके, so how to find the point of intersection of these two lines? So take the general point on these two lines. So for first line, general point on first line, this is 2 lambda minus 1 comma 3 lambda minus 1 comma 6 lambda minus 3. General point on second line, take it equal to mu. So 2 mu minus 1, 3 mu minus 1 comma 0 minus 9. Okay, so 0 mu, 0 into mu 0 minus 9. Okay, so from here we can say 2 lambda minus 1 equal to 2 mu minus 1, 3 lambda minus 1 equal to 3 mu minus 1. ये आ जाएगा हमारे पास 6 lambda minus 3 equal to minus 9. So from here 6 lambda equal to minus 6, lambda equal to minus 1. Okay, so if lambda is minus 1, mu is also minus 1. So if lambda mu minus 1, so we can write the point coordinates of point M. Coordinates of point M, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, and put lambda equal to minus 1 here. So minus 3 minus 1 minus 4, put lambda equal to minus 1 minus 6 minus 1 minus 3 minus 9. So this is the coordinate of point M. Okay, now they are asking, what they are asking, distance of point on this line, first line. So if you want to take the general point on this line, you can take in this format na, take it equal to k. Okay, so if you will take it equal to k, it is 2k minus 1 comma 3k minus 1 comma 6k minus 3. So from this point to this point, distance given is 7. This distance is 7. So use distance formula. So let's suppose this point is ABC na, so P point. This point is P. So PM is 7. So PM square is 49. So from here what we can write? We can write 2k minus 1, 2k minus 1 minus plus 3 whole square plus 3k minus 1 minus plus 4 whole square plus 6k minus 3 minus 9. So plus 9, 9 minus 3 is 6 whole square. This is equal to 49. From here when you will solve, you will get the two values of k, 1 comma 3. If k equal to 1 comma 3, so what you can do, you can do one thing from here, that is point P. Point P, when you will take k equal to 1, point P is 2 minus 1 is 1, comma k equal to 1, so 2, comma k equal to 1 3. This is my first point. Another point P is another point now, when you will take k equal to 3, k equal to 3, so 3 to the 6 minus 1 5, comma k equal to 3, 3 is 9, 1 minus 1 8, k equal to 3, 6 3 is 18, 18 minus 3 15. So this is second point. Now they are saying sum of coordinates of all these points. So only 2 points are there and we have to add the sum of coordinates. So what is the sum of these coordinates? 1 plus 2 plus 3, 3 to 5 1 6, 6. What is the sum of these coordinates? 28. 28 plus 6, that is 34. That is 34. So our answer is 34. Okay. तो चलिए स्टूडेंट्स, ये हमारा लास्ट सवाल है और उसके बाद हमारा जो है 3D के सारे सवाल कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे जो भी 2026 जेईई मेंस फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में पूछे गए थे। ओके, तो चलिए इसको करते हैं। लेट द डायरेक्शन कोसाइन ऑफ टू लाइंस सेटिस्फाइंग द इक्वेशन दिस। ओके, 4l प्लस m माइनस n इक्वल टू 0, 2mn प्लस 10nl plus 3lm equal to 0. Then the cosine of acute angle between these lines. Okay, cosine of acute angle between these two lines we have to find. Okay, cos of this, no need to worry. So first equation and second equation. From this first equation, what we can write? We can find the value of n. N is equal to m plus 4l. Okay, now put in equation number 2. So this equation number 2 you can write in this format na. Do one thing, take 2 common from here, don't take 2, take n common from here. There will be 2m plus 5l plus 3lm equal to 0. This is equation number 2. अब हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, इसमें वैल्यू पुट कर देते हैं। n क्या है, m plus 4l। ओके, ये जो है ये 5l नहीं है, ये 5 नहीं है, ये 10 है ना, 10 इज देयर ना, 10. सो दिस इज 2m प्लस 10l प्लस 3lm equal to 0. Now multiply it. So this is 2m square plus 10ml plus 8ml plus 40l square plus 3ml equal to 0. So from here we can say 40l square, 10 ml, 8 18, 18 plus 3 21 plus 21 ml plus 2m square equal to 0. Okay, now from here how we have to factorize. How we can factorize? 40 into 2 80, 80 and 21, 240, 220, 210. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 and 10, 18. Okay, 2 5, 8 to the 16, 16 and 5. Okay, so 40l square plus 16 ml plus 5 ml plus 2m square equal to 0. From here you can take 8 5 is 40 na, 8l common, so 5l plus 2m plus, from here you can take m common, 5l plus 2m equal to 0. So from here you can say l equal to minus 2m by 5 and l equal to minus m by 8, minus m by 8 and l 2m by 5. So there are two values of l. Okay, so because two lines are there na, so there are two values of l. So this is the direction cosine. Okay, so we will find the value of l, m and n. Okay, so if l equal to minus 2m by 5, case 1, and case 2 is l equal to minus m by 8. Okay, so what are the direction cosines? L, m and n na. So L, m, what is the value of m? 5l/2 with minus sign. What is the value of n? From here we can see n is m plus 4l na. N is equal to m plus 4l. What is m? M is minus 5l/2 plus 4l. So take LCM. So it is minus 5l plus 8l. 8 minus 5, 3l/2. 3l/2. This is the direction cosine. Okay. For first line. What about the second line? L is this one. What about m? M is minus 8l. What about n? N is n we can find from here. N is n equal to m. M is what is m? M is minus 8l plus 4l. So it is minus 4l. Minus 4l. So these are the. So can you tell me the direction ratio of this line? Direction ratio. Direction ratio is d1 vector equal to, you can say it is 1 comma minus 5/2 comma 3/2, or you can say it is nothing but 2 comma minus 5 comma 3. Okay, after taking multiplying by 2 you will get this one. What is d2 vector? D2 vector is this one, 1 comma minus 8 comma minus 4. Now they are asking cosine between these two lines, so cos theta equal to d1 vector dot d2 vector upon magnitude of d1 vector, magnitude of d2 vector. So d1 dot d2, 2 into 1, 2, 8 5s are 40, 3 4s are 12, minus 12, divided by magnitude of d1. Magnitude of d1 is 2 square plus minus 5 square plus 3 square into under root 1 square plus minus 8 square plus minus 4 square. After calculating this, what you will get? 10 upon 3 root 38. After calculating you will get this answer. So you can calculate this one. Okay, so which option? 10 upon 3 root 38, that is फोर्थ ऑप्शन इज अवर आंसर. सो इसी के साथ हमने 3D जो है उसको भी कंप्लीट कर दिया है. अगर आपको किसी और टॉपिक पर PYQs के सॉल्यूशन चाहिए जनवरी अटेम्प्ट 2026 के, तो आप लोग कमेंट कर सकते हैं. आपको अगर अच्छा लगा हो तो आप लोग कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं, और बने रहिए हमारे साथ ऐसे ही, और पूरी मेहनत के साथ लग जाइए, क्योंकि हमारे पास अब टाइम जो है वो बहुत कम है. ओके, थैंक यू, बाय बाय, सी यू.